So if you guys look really quickly up there before she takes them in, that's our 13-day-old chick right there.
Over here?
In the grass up there.
A little gray.
Oh, he doesn't have his pink yet.
They don't start getting really light pink until 6 months old.
Oh,
so they're
wow.
normally white when they're born. They start turning gray at about 2 to 3 months old. And then they start growing feathers, but they don't turn light pink until.
Oh, wow, cool.
And they get really dark pink ones at about 2 years old. So you can see we do have some year-olds and then
Yeah.
so this is 29 and then 30 birds.
Wow.
So we have 18 adults and then 11 juveniles in there. So on the legs, the bands, those are their ID badges, obviously. There's different numbers on them. But the ones on the right leg are males and on the left are females. And that's the same for our penguins over there.
Cool.